Hey everyone, here to show you this really cool feature in Canva, which is text to image. And so if you're very familiar with Canva, you know they're pretty good with the templates and all for social media, but we're going to show you how to do the text to image, which is relatively new on this platform. So what you want to do is create an account with Canva, and this you could still do on your free account as at right now. And then log in and go to create a design. And what we're going to do actually here is, let's say an Instagram post right there. Right there, we'll have the Instagram template to use. Okay, now, once you have started and hit create design, of course, you have all your icons on the left here. Well, what you want to do is then scroll down all the way to the bottom. And right now, currently, this is where it is. Text to image. Again, the icons on the left, scroll all the way down and it's text to image. Awesome. Now, once you've reached here, again, remember, this is our template where everything we do here goes over here. And in this instance, we're actually going to use it again, just to see if a business can actually create an image based on their text. So again, when you're using text to image, you want to capture the feel, right? The feel and the vibe of what's going on, so it's not exactly what is going on as opposed to the feel and the vibe of what's going on. That's sort of like really cool thing to know when it comes to the prompts. So first of all, what we're going to do actually here is, let's say you are a trainer, right? And you train people at conferences. You're a consultant maybe, and you train people at conferences. And I haven't tried these before. We're going to try these together. So I'm just going to type it in here and say teaching at conference. So trainer, or we should say, business leader teaching at conference. I don't know what's going to happen. This is relatively new, so let's see here. So you type in what is here. You type in what your feel here is what I want to call it, your prompts, and then you hit create your image. So let's do that. And it should show up on the left here. So as you can see, this is the bar that's showing, and it typically gives you 4 images. If you're familiar with like Bing image creator, that's what you'll see too. Oh, this is really cool. So as you can see, we have 4 images here that we could use, again, which captures somebody training. So let's add this one here. Look at that. That's pretty cool. And again, this is Canva. Can you imagine? This is really cool. And then we'll add this one too. Oh, wow. Look at that. And you can still see there's like, the images aren't crystal clear, like there's still work that needs to be done here. But my goodness, can you imagine the next few years, how perfect, or months actually, this might not be years or just months, how things might work out. See that? So you get that vibe right there. So if you're a trainer, a consultant, and you train people in conferences and you're going to create a post, you see that? It just shows, give that. But as you can see, the images are still not correct. You see the hands still a little distorted. This is all new technology, but I got to tell you guys, this is so exciting. Okay, the next one that we are going to pick is a business meeting, people shaking hands, a business meeting, shaking hands. That should not be too bad. Let's go here. So business meeting, shaking hands. So if you're a lawyer, and, you just closed a deal, or, you meet with your clients and you're shaking their hands, this could be a good one just to, say, hey, we won we won this for you. And here you go. Congratulations, and it captures that vibe like, hey, you want your lawyer to be saying congratulations to you, right? That they won your case. And not just shaking your hand like, hey, sorry, Okay, look at that. So with the suit, we didn't even say suit. Can you imagine? And that actually put a suit there, capturing it there. And as you can see, look at that. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it's really cool. See hands shaking here. Let's see this collective over here. I'll delete this one in the back here and see here. See that? Just showing that, hey, the deal was closed. So these are really, really cool things. And you can see Canva's taking it to the next level. Look at that. Really cool. Again, it's the feel. Remember, it's the feel. Business meeting, shaking hands. That means it was successful. Okay, let's see if we could do one more. One more. So this one I'm going to say a mechanic smiling with cars behind him. Oh, that's pretty cool. We'll pick that one. Mechanic smiling with cars behind him. All right, let's see what that does, and then we will hit create. Again, it's hard work in transforming those images from your head. Wait with us while we generate mechanic smiling with cars behind him. Look at that. Okay, that's one car though. But hey, it's still a car behind, and it's still a mechanic, it looks like. Like this guy looks like a mechanic over here. And it's got more than one car. It is cars over here. Look at that. Wow. And that doesn't even look too fake. I mean, that almost looks like it's a real dude over there with the cars. Quite convincing, I must say. Quite convincing. So you can imagine the next few years how this is going to be. Now, let's look at this guy here. This guy looks more like is this a mechanic? I'm not too sure. I mean, he's got a suit on, but hey, maybe suits for mechanics in places I am not familiar with. And that's okay. Okay, this is this guy. We could tell this guy is AI. I mean, look at the eyes and stuff. And, not bad, though. Not bad, but I would still most probably pass on that one. And let's see. Look at this guy over here. This one's not bad, too. He's got the mechanic vest. He's got a car behind him. You could tell it's a little bit of AI, but nice poster there. If you reduce it, you can't really tell. It looks just like a guy smiling. But I got to tell you, this fourth one right here is a little bit convincing, man. Like, you could see this, the poster in the mechanic shop, and you would absolutely think that that was a real guy, actually. You might think that was a real guy. All right, so that's how you can obviously use the text to image on Canva. And again, you log in, and on your left, on the icons, on the left here with the icons, it's currently right at the bottom. And you click it, and you just go in and type your prompts there. And again, the main tip here is to capture the feel. If you just left the barber shop, you just got a haircut, you'd be smiling, with a new haircut. So that's a new haircut, leaving barbing salon. I just created that, let's do a lady, actually. Not a guy this time. Let's do a lady. And so these are all so cool, man. All so cool. The post we created yesterday was a lady at the computer, and it looked really, really cool. So as you could see, it's really, really cool, man. Captures the vibe, leaving the barbing salon, and we didn't say smiling. So as you could see, leaving barbing salon, happy in the sun. All right, let's see what happens when we do this again. So as you can see, we've added a little bit. I think you can also add at the end if you just don't like it, so it can create it again for you, but that's so cool. So now we will see what it brings out with that new prompt. Okay, so you see that, and I kind of like these, kind of like these. So as you can see, that's how you can create this. We could say lady smiling in front of laptop to show that you're a professional. And let's see what that brings out. If you just want to show that, hey, we do stuff on our computer for you and we can help you out. Look at that. Really, really beautiful images that it's bringing out here, as you can see on the left. Oh, we didn't delete this. Let's see. Delete that. That's a lady on the laptop. Yeah, quite real. Lady on a laptop. Looking quite real. I mean, this is just so wonderful, as you can see. So that's how you can use the text to image in Canva to just become one of the greatest to ever do it, apparently, because as you can see, I mean, it's just limitless, man. The potential, the opportunities, just limitless. So if this was helpful for you, though, and you liked this and it's helpful for you, please like our video, subscribe to our channel so you can continue to see the great content we create for you to make your life easier. Take care.